maybe not.
Are you gonna kiss me?
Oops. I was going to, but you back away. To the next.
The reality, guys. This is the reality.
Yeah, there's the reality. I have a wife.
Always right and perfect.
No.
Ay, naku, nakabuka ka man na, oy. Nakabuka ka man na, Rox. Aduh, don't give me. Aduh. Hi guys, good afternoon. Why is it good afternoon? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How do you do? How do you, Dana? How do you do? Parang maginaw-ginaw ngayon it's kinda ginaw-ginaw day. I'm going to the other house. It's 7:46 already. Kunin ko lang yung mga meal namin, guys. Balik lang. Glasses ko foggy. So anyway, guys, I'm heading to see my husband. Yeah, I'm going to see him, and it's already almost 8 o'clock. 10 minutes to 8. Morning. I thought you went to the grocery.
Oh, why?
Huh?
Why do I need something in the grocery?
No, I'm going to make pasta. I don't have the pasta.
I got some here.
Do we?
Maybe not.
Are you gonna kiss me?
Oops. I was going to, but you back away. Fine.
It's like 2 weeks, hon.
I got a camera here. It shows you backed away. Ooh.
2 weeks, hon.
It may have to be a different pasta.
The pasta, your macaroni, hon.
Yeah, well, sometimes you make it a different pasta.
Okay, I'm gonna boil egg. Just got here, guys. Yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is cook. Oh, there's tons of food here. Anyway, guys, magluluto lang ako, guys. Ngayon ko lang talaga, ngayon lang talaga ako andito. So, i-boil ko lang to. Tapos na akong tapos na akong nag-cut ng mga ricados. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. Gusto ko to, like, because pareha sa atin, diba, sa Pilipinas, diba ito. Pero, ba't tong ko? Parang pahap naman itong Okay, so, ito. Gusto ko kasi pareha sa atin. Ang lang, ginamit ko to ngayon dahil yung gamitan namin sa pag-boil, andun sa isang bahay, dinala ko. Nung Christmas, yun, dinala ko dun. Tommy is going to work very soon, guys. Kukunin ko yung biyanan ko, dalhin ko dito, at saka alis na rin ako. Yun ang At saka sa Lunes, punta naman ako dito. So, kaya hindi ko na siya dinala kasi andito naman si Tami at hindi naman mainit ngayon. Maginaw-ginaw na. So, the reality, guys. This is the reality.
Yeah, this is the reality. I have a wife who denies everything. Oh, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. She's like, kid, who broke this? Not me.
Look at that, guys. Always, if there's every time there is something wrong happen, you will pass it to my name.
Only if you did it.
It's his checkbook. It's not mine.
Oh, but your signature is on the last
signature.
Your handwriting, the last check that was written, and then you flip it over here. Why would the plastic be over here before you wrote that check? So why would I move it before I need to write a check? Clearly, it's you.
It's not just this issue, guys. There's a lot more issue that it's passing to me. Han, you move this over here, Han. No, Han, you put it in your freaking bag. You don't even know it, Han. Han, where is my thing, Han? Look in your bag, Han. I don't know, it's in my bag. Whatever. Yeah. It's always gonna be me.
Get used to it, guys. Wasn't me. You guys did it. Yeah, somebody else did it.
Have a loving husband. Have a very thoughtful husband. Have that, all that. But when it comes wrong, he doesn't have wrongdoing, and he always right and perfect.
No, I'm wrong. But
no, you never did.
You're wrong and somebody else is wrong.
You never. No, that's you, Han. You pass it to me again.
Yeah, that's right, Han. I love you, Han.
You don't
trying to do the guys.
You don't know.
A bill.
Show that bill.
A bill dated for has to be there today, and she said she got it today. Yesterday.
Don't show the bill. Address in there.
How many people get their mail same day it's due?
Our house, guys.
Same day it's due.
Our house.
Mail, same day it's due. How many people?
I just get the mail today, guys. The house is a walking distance.
But you know the bill comes 2 weeks before it's due. So that means, did it sit in the mailbox for 2 weeks?
Because I don't walk over it to get the mail.
Because I'm not there for 2 weeks, it just sits in the mailbox?
This is the thing. I'm not coming here again, guys, and cook him salad and stuff like that. He doesn't even... I made salad, guys. I came here, cut, cook, wash. And then suddenly, he doesn't even bring any food to go to work. That's why I did it, because I want him to have something
I had some here.
But I want you to bring to work, that you have something to eat over there.
I love you, Han. Doesn't mean you're not as good.
Pintot, kensay pala, utot. Okay, how many gap is that?
Big.
Han, I'm 30.
I was twice your age when we got married. Now figure it out.
Twice your age? Like...
Twice. I'm gonna figure it out.
Okay, then halfway of my age.
Now I'm half your age? Good. I like the way that works.
Han, I don't...
Like I have a Costello routine.
Han. Okay, Han, can you just count? Han, you're good in math.
Han, I know how much older I am than you.
No, but how much
did the gap? How old were you when we got married?
24? 25?
Okay. And if I was twice your age, how much older than you am I?
50? No, it's not. 25. 25.
Right, so I'm 25 years older than you.
So it's 25? No, Han. Okay, you are 57. I'm 33.
How old are we?
57? 56. 57, Han. 58? No, are you kidding me, honey? You are 57, Han.
Okay, I guess I don't know my age either.
You look at this.
I'd like to say I was 37, but 27, but I'm not.
You are 17 years old. Your brain is 17. I love you.
I love you too. Don't forget to shut the iPad with you.
I miss him, guys. This is what, guys, I miss about. We talk about everything and we are yelling at each other. This is what I miss. I love him so much. I have sweater here.
Where?
Where did you put it? You have... Oh my god. It's not, honey. You're gonna be hot, honey. You would love this weather,
no, I think it's supposed to be 40 degrees tonight, just in case.
He made steak last night and I tried half of it. It's really tender and it's good. Say bye, Han.
Bye, Han.
No, Han. See it properly, Han. Oh my lord.
Oh my lord. Bye. Bye, guys.
Oh yeah. Eyeglasses. Mura na tayo si Pichimang. I like the other glasses better, but I like this one too. But I like the other one that I have, the Beauty Lapia look. And this one I like because look at the case, guys, the casing, and it's really good. And this is from Fermo. Yeah, if you don't know, Fermo have a different kind of eyeglasses. If you have a prescription for your eye, meron din sila. At saka very affordable lang sila, guys. Sa mga may mga problema sa mata, affordable lang itong glasses nila. So ito binigay nila sa akin to, but if you're interested, they give this to me for a long time, that was long time ago. Kung gusto nyo, meron silang mga discount sa, meron silang mga promo sa sa website nila. It's really good for, you know, when you're always in the computer. Kukunin ko lang yung biyanan ko at saka alis na rin. Yun lang naman. At saka kukuha lang ako ng steak at saka Windix. Hindi. Gusto ko lang talaga makita yung asawa ko. At saka while I'm here, why not pick her up, you know? And pick up also some Windix. Oh, yung Windix sa Florida ba? Na-miss ko, diba? May tindahan sa Florida, may grocery store sa Florida na ang pangalan is Windix. Hindi siya Windex. Windex is a cleaner for glass. So, Windix is a grocery store. Na-miss ko tuloy yun. Pero maraming Walmart doon, guys. Sa tinitirhan namin doon noon, ang naalala ko lang doon sa Pensacola, malapit sa malapit sa high school ba yun? Or college? I think college yun. Malapit sa college campus. At saka malapit sa Windy, sobrang lapit, lakarin lang. At saka malapit din sa, anong tawag nito? May shopping mall dun, guys. Hindi ko na, Cordova Mall. Yun, Cordova Mall. If meron akong viewer dun, Cordova Mall yun, guys. Yeah. Cordova. At saka malapit din sa, oh my God, yung dagat dun, guys. Yung beach. Ay, naku, guys. Sarap. Maraming mga lechon doon. Mga tao doon parang lechon, sobrang itim. Saka sinaw lang agi ba. Very shiny like a lechon. Anyway, pauwi na ako and yeah, I will see you at the house. Naghintay lang ako ng text ni Tami kasi ganyan naman ako. Oh, bakit? Ganito ang puso ko. He's probably busy, that's why, you know. That's why he's not really. Takes forever for him to reply. I love you too, hon. A lot of emoji kisses. That's all. That's all I'm gonna give you, honey. That's all. Just a emoji kisses, hon. Just emoji. Yun lang ang ibigay ko sa iyo kasi yun lang ang deserve mo, charot. Anyway, so yun lang, guys. So I will see you later, guys, sa house kasi yeah, magdadrive lang ako. At saka I will see you later. Bye, guys. Bye. At saka nakuha na yung biyanan ko. Nandito na siya. So okay na siya. I'm home and I'm gonna get my thing. You are my baby love, Rocky, Rocky. Hello, hi baby, hi baby, yes. Anybody did good or anybody did bad? Which one? Bad or good? Aroy, ginoo ko, tabangi taon ko ninyo. Ay! Aroy, ginoo ko, tabangi ko. Aroy, Roxy! Ay, nako, ginoo ko. Madaot ni akong beauty, aning imong mga... Don't sungag-sungag my butt, ha? Don't sungag-sungag my lubot. Hi, little man. Get down. They think grandma's here. No grandma here. Next to you. In my love. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Yung pagdating ko dito, yung pagpatungo ako dito, usually I have a headache driving. But this time, wala akong headache. So, ngayon na, pag dito na ako, masakit na siya. Iwan ko ba kung bakit tayo kita? Ka naman guwapo. Inom lang ako ng tubig kasi maano yung kaya pala nagka-headache ako ngayon. Ba't hindi nag-focus? Kaya pala nagka-headache ako ngayon kasi walang tubig. 'Di ba kaninang umaga lang, I had coffee. So no water. So when I went to the other house, no water pa rin. So ito yung resulta sa kaano ko. Kagagagugiguhin ko.
muscle car that was ever built in Jakarta.
It's really good. I like when mushroom, usually when you cook mushroom, guys, it's always have, it's like, it's kind of, it's watery later on, like, you know, magtutubig siya. And then, hindi ko gusto yung may tubig. Gusto kong i-dry talaga siya. Parang nagpa-fry na siya ba? Yun ang gusto ko. Parang na-fry na siya. Hi, Sis Pinaluz. I-shout out ko lang si Sis Pinaluz. Si Los. Hi, Sis Los. Quick insert shout out kay Mirna Lampayan, kay Junalyn Porlangan, at saka sa anak niyang si Elina, at saka si Richard Hines from Oklahoma. Hi, guys! Kay Mylene Gonzalez, si Ginalyn Favillani, shout out kay Lynn Gumabay, at saka sa family niya, sa Dubai. Hi! Kay Mercedes Blom from San Francisco, California. Hi, sis! Salamat sa panonood. At saka shout out din kay Maricor Pilara. Hi, Nimji Bandayanon. Also, shout out kay Nimilin Pakolba. And also, isa shout out ko rin sina kay Ginilin Asusina. Registered nurse daw siya. Registered nurse daw siya sa Saudi Arabia. Saka, shout out kay Josephine Komol. Hi, sis. At saka, shout out din kay Caroline Malapit. Kay Carissa Almagro, kay Annabel Ranisis. Okay, guys, salamat, guys. Kung magpapa-shoutout kayo, guys, sorry kung maliit siya, kasi kung yun ang araw niyo nagpapa-shoutout kayo doon, yun din ko siya sa vlog i-insert. So anyway, guys, salamat for watching, and yeah, so ngayon, guys, kasi tapos na yung tapos na itong si Mushroomy. Ito lang. Lumiit kasi siya. Every time you cook mushroom, it turn out like very tiny. It's like shrinking. This is dog and cat food. That's belong over there. I did marinated it with, anong tawag nito? Yung marinate na pa sa steak marinate na Montreal thing. And nilagyan ko siya ng, kaya may maitim-itim dyan. Kasi nilagyan ko siya dito. Nito. Kasi masarap ito talaga, guys. Pang mix sa mga niluluto. At saka, I also cut, you know, I slice in the middle here. I think I did cut 3 slices side, each side. Si Roxy, nakabukaka man na, Roxy. Roxy is not sexy. Oh, naku, nakabukaka man na, oy. Nakabukaka man na, Rox. Aduh, don't get mad at me. Anyway, yung steak, guys, I cut it half. Yung bones, kinat ko siya kasi gusto ko yung bones na lutong-lutong talaga.
You know, who's lucky I got a 2-hour beater, so I don't have to come out every hour. That's really harder.
Na-miss ko yung asawa ko, guys. Para akong so down. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits bukas, guys. Salamat sa suporta, guys. Salamat, guys, sa panonood. Bye!